how to set Facebook offline status on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your Facebook, your settings of your phone, sorry. Then you will go to apps, and on apps you will scroll down to Facebook. And on Facebook, what you should do right now, just go to storage, and on storage go to clear that, then click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.